Master Padma said, "When you take the Dharma to heart, there will be 10 signs." The lady asked, "What are these 10 signs?" The Master said, "When your grasping decreases, that is the sign of having expelled the evil spirit of fixation on concrete reality. When your attachment grows less, that is the sign of being free from ambitious craving. When your disturbing emotions decrease, that is the sign of the 5 poisons being pacified from within. When your selfishness decreases, that is the sign of having expelled the evil spirit of ego clinging. When you are free from embarrassment and hold no reference point whatsoever, that is the sign that your deluded perception has collapsed. When you are free from the concepts of meditator and meditation object and never lose sight of your innate nature, that is the sign that you have met the mother of dharmata. When any perception arises as unbiased individual experience, that is the sign of having reached the core of view and meditation. When you have resolved samsara and nirvana as being indivisible, that is the sign that full realization has arisen within.